This is Father James Kabie. We have the celebrations. We want to wish you a good celebration of 100 years of Kampala Archdiocese. May God bless you all. We thank you, Archbishop, for the preparations for all we have done in order to make this celebration a real wonderful celebration. Thank you for the contribution you have done for the reparation of the cathedral and for everything you have paid for. Thank you very much. May God bless you all. And also thank you for the work we have done to prepare the whole community for the celebration. This which is going to take place in October, and we wish you all the best and a nice celebration. We wish Father Mukilbi Joseph, who has been working very hard in order to prepare for the celebration of the centenary year of the cathedral. Yes. Okay. I remain Father James Kabie from Chida Mitana. The person who has served here in Ruaga during the 60s.
Naawe abeere naawe.
N'omusaba Katonda omujja buli bantu baati ne mwana ne muntu gwe bakeeko era gusigale naawe ennaku zonna.
Amina Father.